Today's topic is glycogenesis. Glycogenesis is the formation of glycogen from glucose. The process is as follows. Glucose becomes glucose 6-phosphate with the action of hexokinase enzyme. Glucose 6-phosphate becomes glucose 1-phosphate with the enzyme isomerase. Now, glucose 1-phosphate plus UTP, uridine triphosphate, with the action of UDPG pyrophosphorylase gives UDPG plus PPI. UDPG is uridine diphosphate glucose. Now, UDPG plus C6N times gives C6N plus 1 glycogen plus UDP, and it has glycogen has an amylase Glycogen has an amylopectin structure. Branching enzyme is glucan, or it is transferase. Now, this was the process of glycogenesis, that is the formation of glycogen. Now, I will discuss an outline of glycogenolysis. Glycogenolysis is C6N plus 1 plus Pi, and the enzyme is phosphorylase, gives C6N minus 1 plus glucose 1-phosphate. Now, this glucose 1-phosphate acts as with the enzyme isomerase. Here it gives glucose 6-phosphate, and it is the enzyme glucose 6-phosphatase. With the action of glucose 6-phosphatase, glucose is finally formed. Okay.